Every day at the University of Birmingham, the Estates Office are trying to deliver a fantastic experience for our staff and students. We have a glorious campus with its listed buildings and the Aston Webb Semicircle and Old Joe Clock Tower, as well as amazing new buildings, our sports centre, our library, collaborative teaching environment and our Green Heart Park at the centre of the campus. The most important thing for us is that we can focus on maximising those assets for our staff and students rather than spending time trying to identify the right information to inform our decision making. And that's why we were keen to digitise our campus so that we had a solution that was fit for purpose for a world-class global university in the 21st century. When we came to specify our requirements for a new digitised estate, we knew we had lots of things that we wanted to bring together. We wanted simple reporting, we wanted to be able to have the management of information all the way from a first idea through to a building which is happily occupied by our staff and students, and we wanted to be able to take a single view of the campus at any one time. There was only one vendor who could give us all of those in one simple solution, and Group BC impressed us with the way that they worked collaboratively and supportively to identify the best solutions for the University of Birmingham.
We were delighted to be selected by the University of Birmingham. Fundamentally, they were looking for a industry-renowned common data environment to support both digitising their estate, but also looking to support their capital investment programme over the next 5 to 10 years. We've taken our 20 years of experience and we've allowed our clients to take baseline standards like ISO 19650, package that up as a configuration, but give them the flexibility to deploy it onto their particular sites as well.
The University Estates Office is digitising information for the best part of 250 buildings. That's health and safety information, compliance information, drawings, 3D models. We are also looking to run our capital programme through this for the next 5 years or so, which will equate to about £1 billion worth of projects.
We also deliver documentation on projects working with over 300 companies. All these companies need to deliver our documentation in a uniform way to help us manage the estate more efficiently. We needed a common data environment that can enable our digital process throughout the entire life cycle of the project and make sure that the information we're collecting together is suited to all.
We didn't want to have the software drive the process. We spent a lot of time planning our processes up front and then looked at how the software could then support those.
Group BC are efficient and reliable. They helped us capture our requirements and turn them into one final solution that is tailored to suit our needs, not just for the project delivery phases, but also for our operational teams.
The solution will benefit the university in terms of enabling their staff, contractors, supply chain to be able to find information quickly and easily, and importantly they'll be able to trust that information as well, because we've got the right gateway approval processes within the system, but we've also given the university the flexibility to deploy their own processes within the platform itself. I think it's fair to say that University of Birmingham are very visionary in terms of what they're looking to achieve, and that's why we've been really excited to work with them on the implementation journey.